Hey folks, I'm Walter, and I was recently asked, how is the internet these days on cruise ships? I can tell you it's much better than it used to be a few years ago. So number one, the ships have been investing in high-speed Wi-Fi now. So with the right package, you can go ahead and stream your Netflix, your Hulu, your Disney Plus, and whatever you want to watch. And number two, they've really improved the coverage around the ship. When it first started out, especially in the cabins and out on the balconies, you would get spotty or no service at all. And lately, with the ships going in the dry dock and the new ships coming out, the coverage around the entire ship has gotten so much better. Another great thing is a lot of cruise lines are starting to do away with the charging by the minute or by the data. They're now starting to say, okay, we're going to charge you by the day or for the entire cruise. And a really good development, Celebrity Cruise Line and Virgin Cruise Line both now include Wi-Fi in the fare. Now they both have an upgraded Wi-Fi beyond that, but they have basic Wi-Fi included in the fare. I hope this is going to be a trend throughout the entire cruise industry, so base internet can be included in the fare. Now what about you all? Have you all been getting good internet service out there on the ship? Tell me in the comments.